Hello everybody and welcome to Life in Scale. I got a good one for you guys today. We'll be looking at the 3-bay open hopper from the Santa Fe Railroad by Microtrains. And as you know, I like my microtrains. They add a different element to model railroading, and I think a lot of their rolling stock are really neat, and I think anybody would like to have them in their collection. And as you'll see with these rolling stock, they are more graffitied than weathered, although they are described as weathered and graffitied. You don't see much of the weathered aspect on these rolling stock. Just a little history on this. One of the 400 car series built by Greenville Steel and Company for the Santa Fe Railroad in December 1976. It was delivered in mineral brown paint with white lettering on the sides and the ends. 205 cars were still in service in 2001. So these are really neat. As you can see, this current pack, they're hauling copper is what the load is. And I don't show it in the video, but you can take the copper out of it and it'll be an empty hopper if you want to have an empty look, or you can keep it in there if you want it to be a loaded look. If you just take a second, look at the detail on these. I think Microtrains has done a fantastic job as always. They have the ladders there, and then if you can see also, it has the valves on the sides and it looks just fantastic. One thing I like about Microtrains that puts them above the rest is not only do they have graffiti and weathered, but they have operating hoppers. As you can see, the bottom of the hopper is actually open and shut. So we'll go ahead and take a look at how they look sitting on the track. And I think they look pretty fantastic. So if you don't ever feel like running them on your layout, you can always just have them sitting there as a display, and I think that they look pretty cool. Now we'll go ahead and take a look at it going on the layout. I hope you guys enjoy. Today, leading the pack is going to be my Broadway Limited EMD F3A and my Kato EMD F7A. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. There will be more reviews coming up, and also I do have a locomotive, my new Broadway Limited, that I will be doing a video of shortly. And I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.